Welcome back! This is part 1 of our SensaMarket Portfolio walkthrough. Today, we're covering the order section, understanding order statuses and everything you need to know about your orders. Part 2 will cover the position section. Let's dive in. At the very top, you've got your 4 headline numbers. Portfolio value is the total worth of everything you're holding right now, cash plus every open position combined. Right below it, you'll see the dollar change and percentage for the day, plus how many positions you're currently holding. Cost basis shows how much money you've actually put in versus taken out. The debit side is money that's gone out to open trades. The credit side is money that's come back in, like from selling options for a credit. The net number tells you the real picture. Total profit/loss is the total gain or loss across the positions you're currently holding. And today's P/L is just what's happened since the market opened this morning. 2 very different numbers, so don't confuse them. Right below that, 4 more cards give you a quick health check. Open positions tells you how many trades you're currently in, plus how many orders are still pending. Winning positions and losing positions split your book into what's green and what's red, along with your win rate. And expiring soon flags anything expiring within the next 7 days. This is the one you check daily so nothing sneaks up on you. Now let's move into the orders table. This is basically your order history and pending order tracker. Here's what each column means. Symbols, side, whether it's a buy or a sell. Quantity, how many contracts or shares. Type, the order type, like market or limit. Duration, how long the order stays active for, like day or good till canceled. Filled/quantity, how much of the order has actually gone through compared to the total you requested. So 0/4 means none of your 4 contracts have filled yet. Status, is it open and waiting, pending, canceled, filled, or rejected? Created date and transaction date. Action, the buttons on the far right that let you actually do something with the order. Right above the table, you can filter table with all, pending, filled, and rejected. Here's something a lot of people miss. Orders are grouped by company. See this Apple entry with the little arrow next to it? That's a 4-leg condor order. If you tap that arrow, it expands and shows you every single leg that makes up that trade. So here we can see the buy to close on the $265 put, the buy to close on the $327.5 call, and the 2 sell to open legs underneath. This is how you check the full anatomy of a multi-leg order without leaving the page. On the right side of every order row, you've got 3 little icons. The Retrade. This basically reopens the same trade setup so you can send it again, maybe with a tweak. And Cancel. That just kills the order outright. Let's tap Retrade and see what opens up. You'll get a side panel showing your account balance, your option buying power, and stock buying power at the top. Below that is the full leg-by-leg breakdown of the order. Expiration, strike, type, side, quantity, and premium for each leg. Here's the part you'll actually use. Order type and duration. Tap order type, and besides market, you can also switch it to limit, stop, or stop limit, depending on how you want the order to trigger and fill. Duration works the same way. Day means the order expires at the end of today if it doesn't fill. GTC, good till canceled, keeps it alive until you manually cancel it. Pre-market and post-market let the order work outside regular trading hours. Quick note, if you pick stop or stop limit, a new field pops up asking for your stop price. That's the trigger price that activates the order. Below all that, you'll always see your net quote, the current bid, mid, and ask, and your risk-reward box showing potential profit, loss, and break-even. Right above the Submit button, there's the order summary, commission fee, buying power increase, margin, and the estimated credit or debit, which is the real number that hits your account once the order fills. Once everything looks right, hit Submit Order or Cancel to back out without sending anything. If your order is rejected, hover over the Info icon to see the reason.